In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use a gift card on Airbnb. If you've received an Airbnb gift card and you're not sure where to apply it, don't worry. The process is straightforward, and once the balance is added to your account, using it for a booking is very simple. To begin, go to the Airbnb website or open the Airbnb app on your phone. From there, log into your Airbnb account. Make sure you're signing into the correct account because the gift card balance will be added there and used from that account when you book. Once you're logged in, go to your account section. Then look for payments and payouts, and inside that area, select gift cards. This is where Airbnb lets you manage and redeem any gift card balance connected to your account. Next, click or tap Redeem a gift card. You'll see a field where you can enter your gift card code. Carefully type in the code exactly as it appears on the card or in the email if it was sent digitally. It's a good idea to double check for any typing mistakes before continuing, since even one incorrect character can prevent the code from being accepted. After entering the code, click Redeem. Once it goes through successfully, the gift card balance will be added to your Airbnb account. At that point, you're ready to use it when making a booking. Now let's go through how to use that gift card balance for a stay or experience. Start by searching for the place you want to stay or the experience you want to book. When you find the option you want, select it and continue to checkout. During checkout, if you already have a gift card balance in your Airbnb account, Airbnb will automatically apply it to eligible bookings. That means in most cases, you won't need to manually choose the gift card as long as the balance is available in your account. If the total cost of the booking is more than the amount on your gift card, Airbnb will ask you to pay the remaining balance using another payment method. This is normal, so just add or confirm your backup payment option and continue. Finally, complete the booking. Once everything is confirmed, your gift card funds will have been applied to the reservation, and any remaining amount will be charged using your other payment method if needed. That's all it takes to use a gift card on Airbnb. Redeem the card first, let the balance sit in your account, and then Airbnb will apply it when you book an eligible stay or experience.